Okay, I'll explain you the secrets of the New World Symphony. What you always want to do before you start playing is make your boxes. Count 4 measures, and then put a box on that next measure so we find our phrases. So we can practice phrase by phrase. So the first phrase is going to be built off that dotted quarter note. And we count that 1, 2, and 3. 1, 2, and 3. 1, 2, and 1, 2, and 1. Okay? So there's kind of an eighth note base in there. 1, 2, and 3. It's a pretty fast note there. Alright, so that'll take up a lot of the first parts because the whole thing is kind of built off that dotted quarter note thing. So the first phrase is there. Second phrase is the same idea except we lift our left hand to play a sharp. And 3, and then we have a sharp in there. And then that kind of sets us up for our next thing. Okay, so our left hand is C and G, then sharp it. Then we have that F chord right there. And then back down. So your thumb moves up there in that left hand. Kind of that 4 chord. Alright. Third phrase, third box is this one. That's where our right hand is going to be in a new place. So I'll play it for you. The next box is about the same thing too, so that'll help you with that one too. But the right hand is going to go to F position. So we have this F chord. And then both hands skip. So they both play and then skip down. And again, skip, skip. So that hands together thing is a lot of skips. Okay, that takes care of your next phrase too. So your box 4 is going to be there. The fifth box is the same as the beginning. And then the sixth one to the end right here is going to be a whole new thing. So the left hand does some scale things. So you see your thumb tucks under in the left hand. Okay? So watch how I do that in my left hand. Let me jump up to the end. So the last one, the last phrase, you want to take one hand at a time because the left hand is doing your scale and setting you up for that, and the right hand is moving up. So we go back to those higher notes, and then we move up to the ends too. So take the last phrase one hand at a time, and there's some of the answers. The rest is on the page. Enjoy. Nice one, isn't it?
Yeah.